In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow on YouTube if you have a small channel. And the tool we are going to use today is called 𝗏𝗡𝗡𝗓. It's a very helpful tool to do keyword research effectively to grow your YouTube channel. This is the website link. Keep in mind that you cannot directly create an account. Instead, you need an invitation code first to create an account. You can use my invitation code that you can see on the screen. By using this code, you will also get a 1-month free trial. Put it here and click on join. After creating your account, this is how the homepage looks like. First of all, let's take a look at the analytics report. It will show my channel stats here. You can see performance of all the videos here. For example, this one is not doing great. On the other hand, performance of this one is speeding up. If I scroll down, this video is doing pretty okay. This one is doing really good. You can see the medals and awards. Again, performing really well. And this one is doing great as well. So you can quickly check the performance of your videos here. Next is the algorithm tab, which shows some notifications related to your video's performance. Now this is very important. Here you're gonna see details about your channel traffic. I'm getting 61% of my channel audience through YouTube search. You can see the search views and the resulted watch time. My next source of traffic is Google search, which is giving me 21% of my channel views. So a proper SEO of your videos can give you a good amount of traffic from outside the YouTube. My next traffic source is suggestive videos, which is not giving great views but a very good watch time. You can see and monitor them all here. Next we have the keyword research tool, which is the main feature why people use 𝗏𝗡𝗡𝗓. You can also go back to the homepage and access it from here if you want. This is a 4-step process. For step 1, you have a few options here. You can either type the topic of your next video, or you can put the link of any video that you like and use that as a reference. You can also scroll down. It will show you some of your videos and you can select any of these for the step 2 as well. But I'm gonna put my own search term here. Let's say how to use 𝗏𝗡𝗡𝗓. Click here. It will show you a list of keywords to use as your next video topic. And each keyword will show you some rating. Keep in mind that the rating alone isn't enough. The keyword should also have good grades. On this keyword, the rating is good, but the grades are very bad. Same goes for this one and this one as well. You can scroll down and see more and more keywords. Scroll down to the end and you'll see an explanation for minimum grades. You should have at least D, and B grades. Let's go back to the top. This is another very important thing. Some keywords will have very good grades but no rating at all. So do not choose such keywords because it means such keywords do not have very good search audience. This keyword has very good grades as well as the rating. This one has very good grades, but as you can see, the score is pretty bad. Same goes for this one. Now to choose a keyword for the next step, click on it and choose for step 3. Here you can see the details of the grades, how it compares your channel audience to the competitors. Scroll down and you're gonna see the search results of your selected keyword. You can see your selected keyword highlighted here. Another thing you'll see is this gateway video, which is basically the video with the same keyword but with the lowest competition that still appears on the first search page, based on which it generates these ratings. At this step, you can also put any new keyword and check its grades and ratings. The grades are good, but the search audience is not available. You can further click on last suggestions or suggestions to get some more ideas about your keyword. This one has a pretty bad grade but a good rating, so this one's not gonna work. Let's look at one more example. This one has also bad grades. That's why step 2 makes it very easy to choose a good ranking keyword. Again, I'll go with this one. Scroll down and choose for step 4. It's gonna give you the title that you can copy from here. You can see the score on top. You can type your description here. Scroll down and it's gonna give you hashtags that you can simply copy and paste it into your YouTube video tag section. You can see the score on each hashtag here. You can copy all the tags in just one click and paste them in your video's tag section. If you want to copy a single hashtag, then click on it and copy to clipboard. Alright, another thing I want to show is that you can also get started with any reference video. Click on these 3 dots on any video. Click on share and copy the video link. Go back to the 𝗏𝗡𝗡𝗓 website and click on step 1. In this section, you can paste the link of any reference video and move forward to step 2. Now it's going to show some similar keywords to your reference video. If you don't see the rating and grades for any keywords, Click on it, then click on Quick Lookup and it will show you the grades and ratings. Let's do the same for this one. Click on Quick Lookup and it will give you the ratings. So you can check the rating of any keyword. Looks like the competition is very high for the selected reference. You can even scroll down and check any keywords from here. Here we've got a keyword with good ratings. So you need to compare different ratings and choose the best one. You can check the other features of Morning Fame like this track tab, which shows the performance of your recently posted videos. You can click on check ratings and it will give you the ratings of each used hashtags on your video. But the main feature of Morning Fame is the keyword research tool. So that's it guys, I've shown you the whole process. Now try it yourself and create some amazing videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.